In this very short video, you're going to see how to install GlobalProtect Virtual Private Networks on Windows 11. The City University has a web page with the information for you. You can click on the link from Windows 10. Now you can copy the link for the VPN. Now you can type your username and your password. It will give you the options to download for the Windows 10. You can download the software and click to run the installer. You can follow with Next until the installation is complete. And you arrive at the end of this tutorial. Thank you.